Good evening, YouTubers. It's Brian Paragamian, Senior Trader and Co-Founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing you closing commentary for Monday, November 2nd. I haven't been here in a while, and I probably won't be because time simply does not permit. So, take advantage of our 1-week free trial. You'll love it. You'll become a member. You'll know exactly what we're doing here on a daily basis. That's all I can say. That's all I can offer you as advice. Today we close up roughly 77 points on the Dow after up 120 points early. We saw the Dow down 20 to 30 points. We took advantage of that as a buying opportunity. We were waiting for this all day long, and we got it. Why do we want to get long this market? Well, on Friday, you had a McClellan oscillator reading of over minus 300. That's very, very oversold. Number two, you had a positive divergence on the S&P cash, the RSI. The RSI was at a higher reading on Friday versus Wednesday's close, yet we closed at a lower price. So that was point number two. Point number three, we had the stochastics jammed oversold, rolling on to slight buy signals, and we liked seeing that. Not to mention you have Tuesday, the Fed meeting starting. Wednesday, you have the Fed's decision on interest rates. I just didn't believe that you have continued downside activity based on all of these factors. So we took advantage of that, swoop in the market this afternoon to get long it, and that's exactly what we did. We're long the BGU, which is the triple cap or large cap triple ETF on the bullish side of the ledger. I continue to think that moves higher. It closes 48.06. I think 50 to 50.5 is a safe conservative target on it. I think we could even see higher than that, but I think the 50 to 50.5 is a nice target on it. I think 1056 on the S&P cash is the first initial target on that. That represents a 0.38 retracement from the highs of 1101 to this morning's lows on the S&P cash. I think 1056 is the number you have to be looking at. Look, if you don't know what you're doing, it can be very, very difficult and very, very challenging to make money in the stock market. But if you know what you're doing, it becomes very easy. Take a look at the chart on Research in Motion. We got short the stock here, 5-6 days ago at the 64.92 level as it was breaking the 200-day moving average. We covered that short sell up this morning at 56.75, banking $8.17. Well, we can kind of thank Citigroup for that because they came out with a downgrade on Research in Motion this morning, and that's why the stock got whacked. So thank you, Citigroup. I absolutely love the way these brokerage firms work. They don't really know what they're doing. They downgrade the stock now. When the stock was 88, they probably had a buy rating on it. Now that it's sitting down here below 60, all of a sudden they decide, hey, let's sell. Well, all I can say is thanks, Citigroup, because you got the stock to drop to my objective of 56 3/4, and we ran taking an $8.17 profit. If you're a member of ours or you're on trial, you would have known this is exactly where we were positioned, and you would have been able to make this kind of money. It is that simple if you know what you're doing. Take a look at Human Genome Sciences. Stock rips to the upside by over 6 points today, closing over 25. We've been talking about the stock. We've been pounding the table on this stock here. Take a look at the last video update, the last several. We've been pounding the table on this stock that we talked about one of the drugs coming out with some positive commentary here in early November. Sure enough, it happened. The stock rips to the upside. All I can say is if you want to make money on a consistent basis and become educated, learn technical analysis, talk about the economy, live the American dream of financial freedom, go to our site, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, and take advantage of the 1-week free trial. That's all I can say. I'll try and be back as frequent as I can, but don't expect it to be that frequent because my time just does not permit. Have yourselves a pleasant evening, and thanks for tuning in. I wish you the best of luck with your trading.